Hello kids, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. Okay students, our today's concept is contractions. It's a new concept for you people. You are doing this concept for the very first time. So let me tell you the brief about this concept. What are contractions? When we combine two words and make into one word, that is called as the contractions. Like for example, I will. आई एक वर्ड है, विल एक और वर्ड है. जब हमने इन दोनों को कंबाइन किया, देन आई एंड विल टर्न्स इनटू आइल. सो आइल इज द वन वर्ड. जब हमने टू वर्ड्स को कंबाइन करके एक सिंगल वर्ड बनाया, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द contractions. Okay, similarly it will, when we combined it and will, it turns into it'll. Similarly she is, when we combine she and is, it turns into she's. Okay, so this is called as the contractions. Now let's move on to its definition. Okay, now let's move on to its definition. What is contractions? When two words are shortened in the form and are put together to form a new word. जब हम two words को short करते हैं और एक नया word बनाते हैं, that is called as the contractions, right? I'll explain it to you. Does not, does एक word है, not एक और word है. जब हमने इन दोनों को combined किया तो एक तो हमने इसको short किया और एक new word बना. Does not, doesn't. Right? Similarly, I is one word, am is another word. When we combine these two words, हमने इसे short करके क्या बनाया? I'm. I am turns into I'm. Is not, isn't. Cannot, can't. Okay? Okay. Now here is a book exercise related to this concept. Okay? So, first one is rewrite the following words in their contracted forms. अब यहाँ पे आपको कुछ words दिए गए हैं, आपको उनकी contracted forms लिखनी है. Contracted मतलब short करके लिखनी है, right? Okay. So now let's move on to the first one. Do not. What is the contracted form of do not? Don't. Don't. Did not. Didn't. Didn't. Cannot. Can't. Could not. Couldn't. COULDN. Couldn't. Okay. Would not. Wouldn't. Wouldn't. He, she will. She'll. She will का क्या हो जाएगा? She'll. She, apostrophe and then double L. Okay. He will. He'll. He, apostrophe and then double L. They will. They'll. You will. You'll. Is not. Isn't. Isn't. Okay. Now let's move on to the next exercise. Rewrite the following contractions in their expanded forms. Now what you have to do in this, the contractions have already been given to you. You have to write these contractions into the expanded forms. आपको इसको expand करके लिखना है, right? Okay. So now let's move on to the first one. There. There का क्या हो जाएगा? They are. They are. Wasn't. Was not. Was not. Hasn't. Has not. Has not. Couldn't. Could not. Weren't. Were not. Were not. I'll. I will. Shouldn't, should not. Hadn't, had not. We have, we have का क्या हो जाएगा? We have, we have. Hasn't, has not. Okay. Okay, students, here is one more exercise related to this concept, contractions. You have to do it the way you have done the previous worksheet. Okay, so let's move on to the first one. First has already been done to you. I am का क्या हो जाएगा? I'm. He is का क्या हो जाएगा? He's. He apostrophe है and s. Okay. She is, she's. It is, it's. You are, you're. They are, they're. We are, we're. There is, theirs. What is, what's. Okay, students, this is all about contractions. Contraction is nothing. It's when we have to write the short form of something, that is contraction. Okay, जब हमें किसी दो words को short करके लिखना होता है, combine करके एक new word बनाना होता है, that is called as the contractions. Okay. Okay, students, I hope you understand this concept very well. Still, if you have any doubts, then please do comment in the comment box. And if you like my video, then please subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye, take care, and have a nice day. Thank you.